Review of Soul Manifestation, Discover Your World's Purpose. Before we begin, let me state that I am an atheist, or so I believe, yet, like any other person, I believe in a greater purpose for life. As with others, I searched for my greater purpose and inner calling but never found it until I discovered and attempted soul manifestation. After discovering and experimenting with soul manifestation, I felt like I was a lot closer to my purpose than I had been before by knowing my soul path. I discovered it a few weeks ago as a consequence of someone posting about soul manifestation and their successes in a Facebook group I was a member of. Now, my initial reaction was fairly typical, and I assumed it was a scam. However, there are already a plethora of similar programs that teach you about love, law of attraction, physics, and one might believe that religion is all about faith, the subconscious mind, which I particularly enjoy, and the flow state, and a variety of other subjects that rarely help you figure out the exact thing, although some of them did improve my concentration to its peak. I did, out of curiosity, pose a few questions to that individual and a few others who had previously attempted soul manifestation in the same group. I remained dubious, but as an inquisitive writer who enjoys writing honest reviews, and other things, about products that may benefit others, I decided to give it a try, and this is what I found. Of course, this review is not sponsored in any manner by soul manifestation. How is soul manifestation defined? Soul manifestation is probably one of the finest programs available for assisting you in discovering your unique soul path, but it also contains the secrets of attracting your soulmate and developing a fulfilling and passionate relationship with them. Soul manifestation can assist you in identifying your health issues and teaching you how to overcome them. Additionally, it will assist you in breaking free from the shackles that bind you and prevent you from attaining success and wealth by shining light on hidden truth and thereby fulfilling your soul journey. What to expect from the report. Your customized soul analysis will reveal a variety of factors that serve as shackles and prevent you from achieving genuine development. This individualized soul analysis will provide insight on personality soul code. In your customized soul code, you'll learn all there is to know about yourself from the ground up. This section discusses blind spots, gifts, and other factors that contribute to your failure to succeed. As the name implies, this section will assist you in uncovering secrets regarding money and other resources in plenty and assisting you in achieving a life free of financial trouble. After reading this, you're probably thinking, yes, I'm going to make $1 billion. Finally. Regrettably, you will not get them, even though it would have been great if you did. Vibrant Health Soul Code. The Vibrant Health Soul section will assist you in identifying and overcoming your main health problems. In a nutshell, it will assist you in achieving a physically happy existence. While this may seem excessive, you cannot label anything dumb if it works. Are you someone who has a terrible love life punctuated by recurrent heartbreaks? Then this section will undoubtedly assist you in realizing methods to establish a meaningful connection with no sacrifices on love. In a nutshell, living your ideal life with an amazing spouse. The curative properties of music. This does not need more explanation, since we are already aware of music's healing properties, whether consciously or subconsciously. Music is so potent that it may aid in the healing process and also fill you with optimism. As a history geek, I found this part very fascinating since it discusses the astrology used throughout the ancient Egyptian, Chinese, Celtic, and Mayan eras. If you, like me, are a history geek, this section is for you. You will not be sorry. The legitimacy of astrology. This part is unusual in that it explains how astrology improves decision-making and business via scientific evidence. The advantages and disadvantages of soul manifestation. Now that we've established what soul manifestation is and what it provides, we can go on to the meat of the article, which is the pros and cons of soul manifestation, which are as follows. Pros. User-friendly. Because personalized soul report contains a wealth of vital and fascinating information, it is a long read. However, contrary to popular belief, it has been written with such expertise that it is simple to read and comprehend. the action stages are much simpler to comprehend and attempt. Backed by historical evidence, I've stated this before, but the historical part of Soul Manifestation Report is very fascinating. It takes you back in time to educate you about the report's technique as well as to validate it with authentic historical and ancestral information. Discusses all main spheres of life, typically, instruments or programs that attempt to educate you about soul manifestation omit critical information, leaving you dissatisfied, but, with this Soul Manifestation Report, you'll learn almost everything, since it includes essential information on all spheres of life. Health, relationships, and money are all included in these circles. Discusses the darker part of your soul. Life is not all about light, and the Soul Manifestation Report recognizes this, which is why it also discusses the darker side of your soul. Understanding this aspect of your soul is essential if you want to actualize your soul's desires. This is one of the greatest aspects of Soul Manifestation Report. It contains many success stories from individuals who have used Soul Manifestation Report. There are several tales of how people transitioned from being alone and dissatisfied to meeting a lovely spouse and living a happy life while being financially secure. Yes, there is a money-back guarantee. You read it correctly. Soul Manifestation Report comes with a full money-back guarantee if you're dissatisfied. Additionally, they provide a 365-day money-back guarantee. Cons. Available only in book form. As excellent as it is, your soul reading the report is only accessible in ebook format, which is rather inconvenient if you want to bookmark certain sections. Although this is a problem that may be resolved by printing a hard copy of your report, which is equally frustrating. Too much reading. If you are a person who seldom reads or reads very slowly, the length of your soul reading report will irritate you significantly. Final judgment. I was expecting to test this software and burn it beautifully if it was a hoax, but the Soul Manifestation Report turned out to be very fascinating and strangely relaxing. Now that all has been said and done, it's time for the ultimate judgment. But first, I'll address one little niggling concern regarding soul manifestation. If you're wondering if it's a fraud, you may rest assured that it isn't, although I was hoping it was. If you give it a try, I'm certain you'll see a difference in your life sooner or later. I really hope that this review helps you decide whether or not soul manifestation is worth attempting. If you have any more reservations, please leave a remark.